Hello everyone, today I'll discuss about value of people, not money. That's absolutely true. Why? Because without happiness, without feel good, not happy in your life. You have lot of money, you have no lot of luxury life, but you cannot happy because money is that important in your life, our life that important. We fulfill just our food, our daily travel. That's important in our money. Not important everything. One is don't give happiness. One is we forgot that. We thinking that why I not happy? Because you cannot happy because you not spread happiness. You not help and not spread how thinking that I feel good. I feel happiness. Why people why you give happiness? It's absolutely not true. If you happy, then you just spread your positive vibe. If you spread positive vibe, then automatically people spread. I guarantee. If you not spread value of life, you thinking yourself, then you selfish. Just thinking that. Whatever do in work, that perfect or not perfect, not matter. Whatever do daily, that work give lot of happiness or not happiness. Without happiness, you cannot achieve anything. If you lot of money but you're not happy, you not respect your parents, not respect your friend, what value of money? That value of money is zero. Not happy always. That is spread negativity. First you need spread happiness. Means respect your friend, respect your colleague, respect your job, respect your whatever do your work, respect. Do 100%. You're not thinking that money is everything. Money is not everything. Everything is your daily hour, your happiness, your mindset. What type of mindset? Without mindset, you cannot feel happy. You all know that today our Bollywood industry is very. People are suicide. That is not solution. Our focus on mental health. If you good in mental health, then you just wake up earlier morning, then you just do meditation. Meditation means not 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour peace. 30 minutes, 5 minutes, you just close your eyes, then thinking positive. Not actual meditation. Meditation means whatever do your today life in 24 hours, what do that work. Single work is perfect. In it single work, not multi work. If you thinking that multi work, I feel happy. It's absolutely true. Meditation means what task you do that time, you give your 100%. Not thinking another task. Focus on one task. You study, only study. When you playing game, only playing. Focus your game. Picking anyone and give happiness. That is meditation. Then you second thing do yoga, because yoga is our mental health, our personality growth, and our mental health. Yoga. Next thing is yoga. Yoga is very need our daily life. Yoga is very important because without yoga you cannot healthy not our life. Respect your time. Without respect your time, you cannot do anything. First, you need respect time. Don't waste your time. Everyone know that don't waste your time. Waste means not productivity to this particular time. You need daily always focus your productive work. Not spread new rumor, spread negativity. That type of work not do. What time you daily give your work, not matter. That time if you feel happy, then you just always spread people happiness. Then people bounce back your happiness. People that's same thing yourself. That important. Just our daily fulfill our food, our petrol, that's important. Not important everything. Type of people that when successful their life, achieve lot of success, lot of money, that time that people always forget their parents. Why forget? Because lot of money. Not thinking that parents how much effort their past time. You respect your parents, you respect your people, respect your friend, then you happy always. Without respect, without spread happiness, you cannot happy in your life. Always people thinking that lot of money is success in life. That's totally wrong. I see many type of people. Many type of people told me, you just 18, 19 years old, you starting your business, starting your anything, then you happiness in life. What happiness? Means you earn money, that is you feel happiness. That's totally wrong. You focus your career, focus your whatever you want, your passion, focus your passion, not money. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I valued your life.